So hello everybody. Today is our daily dose of problem 1 of mathematics. So today we are going to solve this question. It says solve for x this equation, and in order to solve this equation we need to know about the concept of monotonicity, which says that if a function is there and is and that's f dash of x with respect to x, which is greater than 0, it will be always increasing, and for less than 0 it will be always decreasing. So now we are going to apply this. Let's say our function is 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power x minus 5. F dash of x is equal to 2 to the power x ln of 2 plus 3 to the power x ln of 3. So 2 to the power x is greater than 0 always. 3 to the power x is always greater than 0. ln of 2. So as we know, the base is e. So for approximation, e is approximately equal to 2.7. So I can say it is greater than 2, but it will be a fraction, um, which is obviously positive. And here we have greater than 1, which is obviously greater than 0. So yeah, whole of this term is greater than 0, and that is strictly greater than 0. So yeah, this will always be greater than 0. So this means that this function f of x is always increasing. So this means that this function, let's say it has some graph, some sort of graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. It will cut the x-axis only one time from here. This is, let's say, x1, only one time. So this means f of x has only one solution. So yeah, we got to know how many solutions the above equation have. So now let me write 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is equal to 5 has only one answer. And by inspection, you can see that x equal to 1 is that solution. It says 2 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is equal to 5. And yeah, this is our final answer, which was very easy to guess, but the main point was there's only one solution.